Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Joel and Ellie from The Last of Us. Starting off with Ellie, the legs come from the Ugnaught minifigure. The torso I used came from this LEGO City Winter minifigure. And finally I took the head, hair and hands from this Rey minifigure. For Joel, the legs come from Han Solo. The torso and hands come from an Unkar Plutt Thug. I swapped on some dark green arms. The head has been taken from the Mandalorian for obvious reasons. And finally the hair comes from this bricksuit guy. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how these minifigures have turned out. I really enjoyed the Last of Us series and can't wait for the next one. If you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend subscribing and maybe leaving a like and maybe an idea if you have something else you'd like me to make.